going on, guys? So I'm back here with another boot unboxing. This one from Patricia Henriques. Hopefully I'm saying their name right. I actually found them on Instagram probably a couple months ago. I've been following them. I really wanted a pair of their shoes. I finally got one. If you don't know who I am, I'm Eric from Blue Collar Prep. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you hit me up on Blue Collar Prep. If you like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, all that. So a little bit about the brand is all their shoes are handcrafted in Portugal. They pride themselves on quality, comfort, and exclusivity. And some of that exclusivity comes from them trying to be environmentally and socially responsible. And they do this by maintaining low stock in order to prevent waste. So let's get straight to it here. Comes with the shoe bag. So these are from their Jungle collection. They have the red python print and they have the attached harness. Their boots come, they almost feel like they're broken in. They're so buttery soft. It has the buttery soft sole as well as the embedded non-slip rubber. I actually really like when the harnesses are attached. I got a couple boots that are not attached and they're like a pain to try and get like on and off, and then you got to worry about like putting it all back together. So I definitely like the attached harness way better. So let me get these out so I can show you both pair real quick. So these have a 60mm heel, which is probably a little larger than your average heel. I'll actually show you a comparison to some other boots that I have in a couple minutes. They suggest that you go up a size. I would definitely go up a size. I did, and they fit perfect. Probably on the snugger size, but definitely perfect. So I haven't worn these yet, but I did style them with a couple different looks, so make sure you follow along so you can see them on the foot. I did with a flare and like a regular pant as well. I really dig that they kind of have like a genderless style. If you look at their women's boots, it's actually the same exact boot that they make for men and women. I think they have a different maybe heel size for women. I know they do have, even for some men, they go up to like 85mm, which for me for now is just too much of a heel. I think I went with these because they're more of a statement boot. I think they give like a killer rock star vibe. I think these will definitely stand out no matter where you're at. So you could either dress them down if you don't want to stand out too much, or if you want to go full on, really rock it up, which I plan on doing. So another thing about these boots that are like a little bit different than some of the other boots I have is they kind of have more of a pointed toe rather than where some of the other boots are more like westerny, where they go pointed, and then you'll see some of the sole will have like a little squared offness, which to give it more of a rugged vibe. But I think the fact that these are straighter gives it more of kind of like a rock star vibe, which I kind of dig. Also, the price for these are, I think on their website, for €340, which is like $395 American. So it's not a bad price. It's kind of like right in the middle to me of what, like, you know, a good shoe costs. So I'm just gonna grab two other pair of boots so I can show you the differences in the heights of the heel. Alright guys, so I brought out a couple pairs of boots so I can show you the difference in heel size. So this is the Patricia Henriques boot. This is a 60mm boot. This is from the first, the Diego boot. This is a 45mm heel, as you can see, and these are from Lucchese. This is the Jonah boot, and this is a 31 3/4 heel. So I just wanted to give you guys a visual comparison of the different heel heights. If you guys want me to do a video on either one of these shoes that I have already worn, if you like them and want to see some more details, definitely drop me a comment and let me know. Alright, so now we're going to go to my favorite part, and I'm going to show you two different ways of how I styled them and get to rock these bad boys. Make sure you comment in the comments and let me know what you think.